Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, this don't look good for the administration. North America has named Jamaica among other countries on a list of countries where them say a manufacture or a distribute narcotics. Some people say surprisingly Trinidad and Tobago was not on that list. But what this really a showcase is that the relation between North America and the administration being led by the Prime Minister is not on good terms. I mean, recently, even when the Canadian Prime Minister visited Jamaica and spent some summer vacation, people did assume say Jamaica would be on the list of countries where people who have already entered Canada would I can just go back there now and get certain documents and can travel to Canada. Jamaica was not on that list. Even though years now, Jamaica and Canada have been doing international business, farm workers and other businesses. Now recently, Kamala Harris pointed out that she was not only black but also partly Jamaican. Either thing say Jamaica wouldn't be placed on this list. It does seem like the administration is not in favor, or is now out of favor with the North American government. It seems like the opposition at this moment in time is being presented as the option for the people. Normally when you say things like this, it shows say the administration in power now gain no support from the administration where you say I issue these statements. Now truth be told, in recent months there have been major narcotics seizures. I think what they have one where they over $1 billion. Whole heap of money that. There was also a whole heap of narcotics. But these criminal organizations use almost, we have to just say, all of the Caribbean islands. If you see Jamaica being added to this list, what's kind of surprising? When we say, Trinidad not on the list. Trinidad not on the list. It's strange. Majority of the crime and violence that we hear people are talking about in Trinidad has been linked to criminal organizations with traffic narcotics. And this is what them system and them state are saying. This is not speculation or word on the street. You ever say the gold chain over Trinidad? Yeah, them man they say husky gold all the way to your foot. Gold chain touch the ground. People have always asked where the wealth forward from. And law enforcement in Trinidad say it's from the sale and trafficking of narcotics. We never see the affluence in Jamaica. We wouldn't say Jamaica high ranking on the list. But what we will say is that when some people say this show say the US government right now just now feel the energy from the administration now running the Jamaican government, it look like a true. And now we see the Maroons, we see the kings of dancehall entertainment, and we see majority of the people must say the opposition. It look like based on where I say the opposition might be taking over the government soon and very soon. Worse if the situation is North America believing that for one reason or another Jamaica not run right. Them talk about the judicial system. Them talk about law enforcement. Them talk about the healthcare system. Them talk about the long wait in certain situations. And now they must say on the list of countries where distribute and manufacture narcotics. This don't look good. Right before a general election, no, this don't look good. The private sector might be no. Can remember, this affect whole heap of things. It affect even the private sector. It affect exports. Remember, they must say manufacture and distribution. Jamaica hardly manufacture anything. So manufacturing narcotics out tight. But distribution, the few things that the people actually manufacture in Jamaica and try to export to overseas markets will now be extra scrutinized. Just based on this statement alone. How you can clear up a situation like this? Only negotiations can be. Never say negotiations, only talks and proof that something is being done to curb whatever North America thinks is going on. And if they believe say one administration is incompetent, then their support will be for the opposition. It's a two-party system, just like over there. It's a two-party system with them Congress. So they know that's something they go. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Or you feel like this make it look. Or you feel like this mean the government of North America is viewing the government of Jamaica. Them talk about crime and violence. For Jamaica, if they say crime and violence unique to all the different places, and we see crime and violence that take place. One thing for sure though, the state with them SOEs and the curfews, and that has never eased crime and violence. So people have always asked the question, why them keep doing it? Some people say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over, but expecting a different result. Is the state insane? Trying the same things over and over again, hoping that, oh, this time it gonna work, this time it gonna work. Simply meaning say, oh, the times before it has not worked, and this time they might do the same thing, hoping for a different result. But just explain to you what the definition is for insanity. No, we see the people want to point out say the government could do better in all aspects. For Jamaican people, I feel like if cost of living was at a lower rate, and in this day and age, we don't expect things for the prices for things to go down. That means the wages that people are receiving need to increase. People them still upset how parliamentarians could get such a big increase while regular people can't get that increase there. Even civil servants, them can't get the increase there. And people are asked, what parliamentarians really do for the country? If the country can be added to a list like this, I'm more likely themselves never even know. But them actually do. With this major increase that they were given. You know, the Prime Minister and the opposition leader say, them not take the increase. But like everybody else in the party take the increase and tax dollars are paid nonetheless. So if just two person alone decide to them not take the increase. And see that? The Prime Minister say him not take fee money. The opposition leader say him not take fee money. And now Nigel Clark go and work somewhere else. Talk to me in the comment section. And what really are going on the Jamaican island? One thing for sure, the people are fed up. And I think during the next election, the administration might see. Because now we are seeing even their own supporters saying that, yo, I know what them did imagine. And this are the same supporters of the early 90s, 2024 now. These supporters, some of them, remember, somebody who are 24 now who was eligible to vote. He wasn't even alive in the 90s. So that's the type of support there were certain political, maybe I say, members of parliament know of. That not really are going on now. If the people believe so, they're not perform, they're not going to vote for the opposition. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now, until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned. Now, until the reason.